Hi guys, before we jump into the video, a quick reminder that I'm hosting another vegan trip in Korea this year in May, followed by my first vegan tour in Japan. The bookings for these trips are closing very soon, you guys, and they are selling fast, so make sure you book now so you don't miss out. We are first going to Korea for another epic vegan tour. The first one was so amazing, as you will see, and it was sold out, so we had to do it again. And it's a similar tour, but slightly different based on feedback, and I think it'll be even better than last time. The Japan tour will happen a couple days after the Korean tour ends, so if you want to take advantage of that long flight to Asia and book both tours, you definitely should, because it's gonna be awesome. For Japan, we'll be starting the adventure in Tokyo and then heading to Kyoto and ending in Osaka. So we're gonna see and experience so much, and I cannot wait. During these trips, almost all of the meals are included, and of course, they're gonna be fully vegan and delicious, may I say. We'll also have a local guide with us for the whole trip, and the accommodation and all the activities will also be included. You do not have to worry. All you have to do is book a flight and show up, and everything will be taken care of. So guys, what are you waiting for? Book your spot now in Korea or Japan or both, and I'll see you there. Now let's get started with the vlog. We are heading to the DMZ, the demilitarized zone between North and South Korea. Are we excited? Yeah.
네.
Say that again.
네.
Cuts down, you might get shot or you may got barbed. Rise, right next to the military MBN. This is like this is MBN. We are ahead of the schedule.
감사합니다. 이거 무슨 국물이에요? 된장 국물. Oh, it's the soybean soup.
Oh, this dish? I never had this.
We are at lunch. Yay! We're at this like tofu shop. Okay, we got some tofu stew boiling over here. We're very excited about it. Some bibimbap, and we're gonna eat. And everyone's mixing their bibimbap, watching if you're doing it correctly.
When you have it separately, it tastes really. Soup in my rice.
They're not for butter.
Yeah, I think yes. 물 주세요. 물 주세요. Ah, yes, you can.
Wait, it's like moving.
Oh, sprouts. And noodles.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, there's noodles in here.
Oh, okay. Those are really good. Is it good? Okay. I mean, yeah.
It's okay, I'm grabbing water.
Tofu is so good.
I wish I was more hungry.
Really?
You're not hungry? I mean, I had an ice cream and then the big juice and I ate also some chestnuts I had with it.
You can eat it by itself or with rice. It's up to you. Yeah.
You can order more rice. Do you want more?
Hongdae. So tired. I'm so jet lagged. Feel like I'm gonna die. Nice. 조심해. We are officially in Hongdae. This is our free time. We've all kind of dispersed and this is a very popular, very famous area in Seoul. So we're just kind of walking around shopping, figuring out what we're gonna do.
Yeah, of course. And you can also drink.
Yeah, it's one roll per person. So we got kimbap. Which bowl? What bowl from yesterday? Kimbap. Fried chicken.
They do it again. Do you want me to do the...
In 50 or 70 years time, we print all of the wooden blocks and make them into books. Experience.
We have just arrived in Hongdae. Hello. We are here for the temple stay. We're so excited.
Yeah, well done. Yeah.
We just got our rooms in the Hongdae temple stay, and we also got our temple outfits. We're very excited, and it's raining and the vibes are vibing. We're about to go and meet and get a tour of the temple. Yay! So good.
The dragon can ascend to heaven.
There's a magpie with a blue tail, and it's like the national bird.
Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this travel vlog and this little sneak peek into the Korea tour. If you liked what you saw and you want to come along on the next Korea tour, don't forget that our next one is in May, which is coming up fast, and our bookings are closing very soon. It's gonna be so much fun, so make sure you come along to experience it for yourself. And again, we're also going to Japan after Korea, and that's gonna be also an incredible trip, so make sure to check that out as well. Again, you can book both if you want to, okay? The links to book and get more information will be below, and I hope to see you in Korea or Japan, or maybe both. Thank you so much for watching.